Hey everyone, I'm Ryan. So you built your first AI agent, but it's acting a little unpredictable, right? One minute it's a genius, the next it has no idea what it's doing. In our last video, we got that agent live with Google ADK. Today, we're giving it a brain. The biggest problem with a brand new agent is that it has no defined purpose, it is clueless. Think of system instructions as your agent's permanent job description or its DNA. It's the set of rules it reads before it ever sees your first prompt. This is how you stop repeating yourself and tell it what its purpose is. A powerful system instruction has three simple parts. First, role and goal. You give it an identity. For example, you are Scriptcraft AI. Your goal is to generate video prompts with consistent characters. Simple. Second, the workflow. This is its step-by-step process. You command it. Ask the user for a topic. Define the character using JSON. Write a scene prompt using that character. You're giving it an exact operational guide. And third, constraints. These are the hard rules, the do-nots. That's it. Role, workflow, constraints. You're not just prompting it anymore. You are programming its behavior. This is the fundamental difference between a generic chatbot and a specialized automated tool that actually works. And this core idea of embedding a precise, unchangeable mission into an AI is exactly what we've built at scale inside Vibelets. Our entire AI-guided journey is powered by this philosophy.